everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a delicious tomato soup. Let's get into it. So the ingredients you need to make this tomato soup is a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, jack marinade and sage, 200 ml of coconut milk, 1 tin of tin tomato, half an onion, 1 chili pepper and 2 garlic cloves and some olive oil. Now the first thing I done was preheat my wok. Now I'm going to add my oil. And then I'm going to saute down my onions, garlic and chili. I'm going to saute this down. And then I'm going to wait for it to go golden brown. And now that's gone golden brown, I'm going to add in my all-purpose seasoning, jack marinade and sage. It gives it a little bit of flavor. Smelling so good already. Added in my seasonings. I'm going to put my tomato inside. It's looking so delicious. Now I've added my tomato in, I'm going to add my coconut milk. Mix this up. This is smelling so good. Now this has finished simmering down, I'm going to get my dad to help me put it in the blender and see you after it's done. Now my dad has put it in the blender. Thanks Dad, I'm going to blend it up. My soup has finished in the blender and it's nicely presented. It's time to taste. That's delicious. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed and see you next time.